All right, a trip to the junk store. This is Excess Solutions in San Jose, California. This is the junk store that I'm always talking about. I asked permission of the owner to take a look around, make some videos. So here you go. Here we're coming into the place, and it's a lot like the scene in Raiders of the Lost Ark, where the last scene is them going into the warehouse and everything is stacked up to the ceiling. It just goes on and on and on and on. Everything's actually quite organized, though. There's actually signage, and all the boxes are labeled. It's all organized by function and stuff. If you know what their system is, it can be actually pretty easy to find things there. And it just keeps going and going. All right, and then that was just half of it, so we'll go the other half. There we go. Lots of wire. They put kind of big things over this direction. More mechanical in nature, more industrial in nature is over here. That's the door that we came in the background there. And then I'm looking for a particular thing, so we're coming over here. I'm looking for a crystal of a particular frequency, so I'm into the crystal section here. They have a very nice selection. Here's a bunch of old DTL parts, some analog parts. It's all mechanical type things, nuts and bolts and screws and things. Here's some test equipment. All right, did I say they had some wire? Yeah, they got a lot of wire. I found some good deals on wire there, so quite pleased with that. And then that's only half of the building. The second half of the building is all the stuff that we're not allowed to go into. So they do a lot of wholesale stuff to companies and things.